Luxury cars, often seen as symbols of status, experience steep depreciation rates, and the reasons are fascinating. First, high-end vehicles typically have a large initial price tag. When they leave the dealership, the value drops dramatically, sometimes by as much as 20% to 30% in the first year. This rapid decline is fueled by oversupply in the luxury market, where new models constantly emerge, making previous generations less desirable. Additionally, consumers often perceive luxury cars as investments, but they fail to recognize the substantial costs associated with ownership, including maintenance, insurance, and high repair costs. Such expenses can deter potential buyers in the used market, thereby lowering demand and value. Furthermore, many luxury cars are equipped with advanced technologies that quickly become outdated, further reducing their appeal over time. Lastly, the stereotype that luxury vehicles are fuel guzzlers leads to concerns about long-term costs, pushing buyers toward more economical alternatives. Thus, while luxury cars offer unparalleled experiences, their swift depreciation rates can surprise even the most seasoned car enthusiasts.